Hi everyone, welcome to the fifth week of Education 556. The main topic for week 5 is special education. And so your reading is chapter 8 of the textbook, which is all about the history of the development of special education in our country. And then 2 articles are also available for your reading. The first one goes into depth about functional behavioral assessments and behavioral intervention plans, which is an area of special education that I actually didn't know about before I became an administrator. Some of you may know a little bit about it, but you'll learn a great deal from this article. The second article is about teaching students with emotional and behavioral disorders, and it makes a very interesting case for how we should go about doing that. And so I hope you'll pay some attention to that. Wednesday night is our synchronous session. This is the third of our 4, and in this synchronous session you're going to present your PowerPoints that you've put together with your groups for your case studies. So it's important that you and your group mates attend the same virtual session. It's also important that one of you, before the session begins, upload the PowerPoint into your desktop on the Collaborate, because what will happen is I'll turn Collaborate over to whichever of you is going to give the presentation, and in order to do that you'll need to be able to share your desktop, and specifically to share the file that you're going to have. So in order to make that work, you want to upload that to Collaborate before the class session starts. This week you also need to propose your final project. There's a requirement that says that I am to approve them, and so you'll see instructions for that in the week 5 list of activities. I've also put together a Google Doc so that you can indicate what you're signing up for. But in your proposal, I do want you to email me a description which should be more than just the topic. It's important that I help you shape that in a way that makes sense. And then looking ahead finally to week 6. Week 6 is when you're supposed to turn in the policy paper. The policy paper actually contains more points than any other assignment in the class. It is the signature assignment for Education 556. In the policy paper, you're going to need to delve into an issue in your school district, and you're going to need to find the school board's policy on whatever issue it is that you're delving into. What you're going to discover is that every school district has lots and lots of policies, and every school district is permitted to shape its own policies so long as they remain consistent with the basic boundaries of educational law. Some policies are the same from district to district, but then you're also going to find some important differences which impact local practice. I will post an example of a very good policy paper one of my students wrote a number of years ago as a way for you to kind of get a sense of where you may wish to go with that assignment. If you have questions or concerns about that as you begin to look your way through it, please write to me or contact me, and I will help you through that. Also, just as a reminder, after week 5, we have a dark week, a week off, due to the Thanksgiving holiday. So for many of you, that's a good chance to catch up, or as I said earlier, get ahead. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening, and have a great day. Bye.